The overall goal of the following experiment is to demonstrate a method for surface modification of multi-wall carbon nanotubes, along with laboratory-scale column experiments for transport, retention, and remobilization of the surface-modified carbon nanotubes. Functionalization of commercially available carbon nanotubes is achieved by adding carbocyclic and hydroxyl functional groups to the nanoparticle surfaces. As a second step, a stable solution of carbon nanotubes is prepared for flow-through column experiments. Next, column experiments are performed using acid-washed silica sand and functionalized carbon nanotubes. After the sand is carefully packed into the column, the stable solution of nanotubes is injected, followed by injection of the background solution, and then deionized water. The results show that the functionalization process has a large impact on the overall retention of multi-wall carbon nanotubes in the selected sand types.
The demonstration of this method provides a guideline for surface modification of carbon nanotubes and an understanding of the impact of transport and retention of these nanoparticles in soil pores.
Visual demonstration of this method is important because some of the procedures, such as the nanoparticle functionalization, may otherwise be difficult to reproduce. A systematic approach, using well-controlled laboratory experiments, is essential to understand and differentiate between different effects on the nanoparticle transport behavior.
Part of the experimental procedure is being done by a student in the laboratory, Maria Hedayati.